Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today we will talk about enrichment practice for English exam grade 2 for the second term 2024-2025. First, we start with listening. As we can see here, in listening 1, we listen and number the picture 1, 2, and 3. You have to put the number according to the picture you hear. Okay. Number 1, whale. So you write here number 1. Cat, we write number 2. And snail, we write here number 3. Now, we move to listening number 2. Listen and circle the correct picture. Now, we have to listen, and the word we listen to, we have to put a circle around the picture. For example, listening to, listen and circle the correct picture. Number 2, sunny, sunny. Or hot, hot. So we put a circle around this picture, which is hot. Number 3, March, March. So we put a circle around the word we hear. Now we move to listening number 3. Listen and tick right the correct picture. Here, number 4, we have 3 pictures. So we listen and the correct picture we tick right. For example, number 4, he's playing volleyball. He's playing volleyball. So we put right here in this circle. We put here right. We tick right here. Okay, picture number 5. Picture number 5. Meat, meat. So we check which one is meat. This picture is meat. So we tick right here. Now we move to number 6. Number 6, for example, if we listen the word park, which one we tick right? Yeah, exactly. We listen to the word park, so we tick right here. Now we move to reading. Reading 1. Look, read, and tick yes or no. First, we look at the picture and we check. If it's right, we put yes. If it's wrong, we put no. Okay, number 7. We start with number 7. The weather is very hot. Let's go to the beach. The weather is very hot. Let's go to the beach. We look at the picture. Is it hot? No, it's very cold. So we put a circle around no. Okay, now we move to picture number 8. The camel has got a hump. The camel has got a hump. We look at the picture. Yeah, that's right. This camel has a hump. So we put a circle around yes. Now we move to number 9. This sentence says, what time is it? The answer is it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. We check the picture. Is it 5 o'clock? Yeah, that's true. It's 5 o'clock. So we put circle around yes. Number 10. He gets up early in the morning. He gets up early in the morning. Yeah, that's right. We look at the picture. That's right. So we put a circle around picture, this picture. Yes. Okay, now we move to reading number 2. Read the text and answer the questions. Hello, my name is Tamim. I am from Qatar. It's Sunday today. I get up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I go to school at 7 o'clock. I go to bed at 8 o'clock at night. I can swim and paint. I have got a ball and a robot. We repeat this text again. Hello, my name is Tamim. I am from Qatar. It's Sunday today. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I go to school at 7 o'clock. I go to bed at 8 o'clock at night. I can swim and paint. I have got a ball and a robot. Okay, we put right or wrong. Tamim is from Qatar. Number 11. Tamim is from Qatar. We check the text. Yes, Tamim is from Qatar. That's right. We put here right. We put here right. Okay, number 12. He gets up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Let's check. Does he get up at 7 o'clock in the morning? No. Here we can see I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So the answer here is no. Okay, we move to number 13. He has got a ball. We go back again to the text to check. Has he got a ball? Yes, that's right. I have got a ball. So the answer is yes. Okay, now we move to the next question. Answer the following question. What time does he go to bed? Let's go back to the text to check the answer. What time does he go to bed? I go to bed at 8 o'clock. So we write here at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock at night. So we go back to the text, we take the answer, which is at 8 o'clock at night. And then we go back to question number 14 and we write the answer here at 8 o'clock at night. Okay, now we move to reading 3. Read the text and answer the question. Al Khor Stadium is in Doha. It's very big and you can play many sports there. Many people go there to watch football matches and enjoy time. You can have coffee and eat in the parks near the stadium. There are hotels and restaurants there. You can go by car or by train or by trains. We repeat the text again. Al Khor Stadium is in Doha. It's very big and you can play many sports there. Many people go there to watch football matches and enjoy time. You can have coffee and eat in the parks near the stadium. There are hotels and restaurants there. You can go by car or by trains. Okay, now we move to the questions. Circle the correct answer. So you have to put a circle around the good answer. Al Khor Stadium is A, small, B, big, C, high. We go back to the text to check the answer. Al Khor Stadium is in Doha. It's very big. This is the answer. So we can write the answer here or we put a circle around the answer. So the answer is B, which is big. Okay, we move to question 16. There are next to the stadium. What are there next to the stadium? Also, we go back to the text to check the answer. There are A, lakes, B, parks, C, pools. Okay, we check the text again. There are okay, many people go there to watch football matches and enjoy time. You can have coffee. You can have coffee and eat in the parks. So there are parks. What are there? Parks. The answer is B, parks. Okay, we move to question 17. You can go to the stadium A, on bike, B, by train, and C, by boat. So what is the answer? We go back again to the text to check the answer. You can here. You can go by car or by train. So the answer is by train. So the answer will be by train. We write here by train. So the answer is B. Now we move to the next question. Read and write to complete the sentence. 18. Question 18. You can go to the stadium. How can you go to the stadium? You can go to the stadium by car or by train. By car or by train. So the answer will be you can go to the stadium by car or by train. Okay, now we move to the next question. Read and write to complete the sentence. Okay, we move to section writing, to writing section. Number 1, fill in the gap. We have 3 words. We have to put these words in these 3 blanks. The first one, the bird has got along. We check. What has the bird got? The bird has got along, brushes or tail or fun, of course. This bird has got a long tail. So we write here, tail. Okay, we move to the next one. B. They are having, what are they having? They are having fun. They are having fun. And the last one, he brushes. We look at the picture, he brushes this one. He brushes his teeth before he goes to school. Now we move to writing 2. Fill in the gap. The boy sleep at o'clock every day. We check what time he sleep. We look at the clock or at the picture. We can say that he sleep at 9 o'clock every day. At 9 o'clock every day. And we look at the picture in B. I bought a new, what we can see here, we can see trainers. I bought a new trainers. I bought a new trainers yesterday. And we move to C. My friend Amir is wearing what? He's wearing a short. He's wearing a short. He's wearing a short. Okay, we move to writing number 3. Look and write 2 sentences. For example, what can we see here in the picture? We can see a park. So we can write, we can say it's a nice park. It is a nice park. So what can we write about this picture? We can say it's a nice park. Okay, picture B. What can you write about this picture? For example, we can write it's a snowman. It's a snowman. Okay, now we move to writing 5. Listen and write. Okay, we move to writing 6. Fill in the gaps. Brushes, skirt, trousers, boarding, goes, summer. Okay, for example, I like sand. I like sand boarding. I like sand boarding. I like sandboarding in the desert. Number 2, I have a scarf and skirt. I have a scarf and skirt. Number 3, my dad is wearing a t-shirt and trousers. My dad is wearing a t-shirt and trousers. The teacher always goes to school early. The teacher always goes to school early. In Qatar, the weather is very hot in summer. In Qatar, the weather is very hot in summer. Before school, my sister brushes her hair. Before school, my sister brushes her hair. Okay, now we move to number 7. Read and circle with yes or no. We look at the picture. First we read the question, then we look at the picture. Are these sunglasses? We look at the picture. Are these sunglasses? Yes, they are. So we put a circle around yes. Second one. Is this a scarf? Is this a scarf? Okay, we look at the picture. Is this a scarf? No, it's not. So we put a circle around no. Okay, next one. She is wearing a scarf. She is wearing a scarf. We check. Is she wearing a scarf? No, she isn't. She isn't wearing a scarf. So we put a circle around no. And we move to the next one. The weather is cold and snowy. The weather is cold and snowy today. So we look, is it snowy and cold? Yes, it is. So we put a circle around yes. Now we move to next one. Today is the 14th of May. Today is the 14th of May. We check this calendar, this picture. Yes, it is. So we put a circle around yes. Okay. Last but not least, next one. Jassim usually gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. We check. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. So we put a circle around no. Okay. Now we move to the last one almost. The man is sandboarding. The man is sandboarding in the desert. We check here. Yes, he is. So we put a circle around yes. Okay, we move to next one. What is Omar doing? We check. What is Omar doing? He is bouncing the ball. Yes, he is. Okay, and we move to the last one. Every day, Salma wears a dress and goes to school. Is she wearing a dress? Is she wearing a dress? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. So we put a circle around no. Okay, if we move back and check again what we have started. We started with listening 1 and finished listening 1. Then we finished listening 2, listening 3, reading 1, reading 2, and we had some questions. Then we had reading 3, and we choose the correct answer. Then we had to write some words from the box. Then we moved to writing 2. Okay, and then we had to write a sentence like about this picture. It's a nice park. It's a snowman. Then we had to put these words in the gap. Okay, I wish you good luck and thank you for listening.